Gate 28, final boarding. I am the last but one person, I think. So yeah. This is gate number 28. So I am very much excited to enter into Japan Airlines flight. Boeing 787. So I'm just entering 54E.
Mr. Wadidi is here.
Okay. So this is business class, only 3 rows, so 8 seats each. So it is 24 seats. Mine is 54. I have to go a long way. 54. So I don't know why it is 54. Hopefully, flight looks excellent. This is awesome. These are toilets. So mine is 54. 54. 54 please.
54.
Yeah, 54E. 54, yeah.
What is your alphabet?
So this is the flight. Excellent flight. So this is my seat, 54E. So I have ordered for vegetarian meal. So this is excellent flight. Red color seats. So each row is 8 seats. Flight is about to depart. So it is going on runway. So next 7.5 hours, I love this map. So I enjoy this map for next 7.5 hours. Watching BBC News in the flight. So what else we can expect from Japan Airlines flight? So it is excellent. So I have started with apple juice. So I am waiting for my vegetarian lunch. So I continue listening BBC News. This is a veg meal. I have pre-booked. Let me see how it tastes. First time I have used chopsticks in my life. So this noodles okay. Looks like soba noodles, but couldn't complete them. So salad I can complete. This is bathroom in Japan Airlines flight Boeing 787. So decent size. See, toilet is decent, very decent, and we have Japanese flush and washing system. 45 minutes away from Honolulu. So now the time in Japan is 5 o'clock. Yes, they have given coffee, tea and juices. Whoever, I had tea, I had coffee. So tea was green tea, so that's why I had coffee. So now everyone woke up. Just landed in Honolulu airport. So in Japan the time is 5:41. Here the time is 10:40 a.m. 6th of April. In Japan it is 7th of April. Waiting to get off from the flight. So I just landed. Waiting for the doors to open. So had a good flight for 7.5 hours, 7+ hours. So had a good vegetarian meal, Japanese meal, but couldn't finish it. Thank you. Bathrooms, washrooms. People already gone from these places, these seats. So that girl was sitting beside me. She is doing masters in UPenn. UPenn is very prestigious university, like top. This is business class, so always front. I don't think this flight has any first class. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye. Yeah, thank you, Simply. Bye. The flight just landed 10 minutes back. This is Honolulu Airport. You can see Hawaiian Airline flight and Southwest, Japan Airlines. It's a very good flight.
Join us in keeping this airport a healthy place. Maintaining a comfortable distance from others can help stop the spread of germs. All terminals are smoke-free.
Yes.
Smoking is permitted at designated curbside areas only.
So you can see other flights, Delta. We have to take the bus to go to arrivals area, like immigration control. So this is Daniel K. Inouye International Airport. Bit tough to pronounce. So this is the airport area. You can see our flight, Qantas, Australian flight and Malaysian flight. You can see the skyline of Honolulu. This is the bus. We are going to arrivals area. I've just landed from this bus, and again that bus is going to arrivals area to pick up passengers. This is the flight information. Our flight JL 792 from Osaka. Partner with Hawaiian Airlines. So it landed, arrived already 30 minutes back. So this is departures. So this is the area which I came outside after immigration and customs. I came out of airport. I took a SIM for 1 month, Verizon SIM. So it is $85, including tax it is $90. So including tax. So this here I am waiting for the bus. So there is 1 hour 15 minutes journey from here to my Waikiki hostel, Waikiki beachside hostel. So this is Hawaii. So this is excellent temperature, 27 I think. So this is a bus stop, city bus stop. So I am waiting here. Bus is in next 15-20 minutes. Still waiting for the bus. Bus is expected within 4-5 minutes as per Google. So there is a boy from Canada, but is a French. So this mother and daughter from Sydney, Australia. So they are also coming for a visit. Finally bus is here. So we are boarding the bus. It's very good, bus number 20. So we are boarding now. So it will take 1 hour 15-20 minutes. So don't know, I have to pay by cash or card, I don't know. I will ask the driver. I will show the bus stop. And my bus is inside the bus. The ticket is only $3. Plus they change. They will not give any change. So I have given $5 bill. So there is no change. So instead of $3 I had to pay $5. So it's fine because it is 1 hour 10 minutes. So with a taxi it will at least cost $60-70.